today's session. So what we have discussed in the previous class? Big, bigger, biggest. So here we are comparing size of an object in big, bigger, biggest. Right? We also have seen some examples and discussed about that. Right? The first object, if we say bigger, if I say the first object is big, the next one will be bigger than the first one. The third one will be biggest among these three objects. Right? So children, as I told you, today we are going to see the textbook part. Let us see some examples in the textbook. See, first let me tell you what we have to do here. So we are doing page 20, children. Topic is big, bigger, biggest. Here circles are given. The first circle is big. If we compare these two circles, second circle is bigger than the first circle. If we compare these three circles at a time, the third circle is biggest among these three circles. Okay? So now here what we have to do, some elephants given here and bear. Okay? Color the elephant pink, the bigger elephant blue, and the biggest elephant red. Big elephant we have to color pink, the elephant which is bigger we have to color blue, and the elephant which is biggest among these three we have to color red. Shall we color? Shall we start coloring? So children, first we have to know which is big, bigger, biggest. Which one is big? Let's do one thing. Which is biggest? Third comparison. I told you here big, bigger, biggest. First comparison is big. Second one is bigger. Third one is biggest. Use this one and try to find which is big, bigger, biggest. The first one, first size. Which one is the first size here? Compare with this. The smaller one among these three is considered as big. Okay? Next size. If this is the first size, second size will be this one, bigger. The first elephant is bigger than the third elephant. And what this one will be, this elephant, second elephant will be biggest. First elephant is bigger than the second elephant. Second elephant is biggest among these three. If we compare this third one as big. Okay. Now we have to color the big elephant pink. Big elephant. Which is big elephant? First size. So let us color that with pink. So the big elephant is colored. So finished, children. The bigger elephant blue. Bigger elephant we have to color blue. Shall we start? Anything you can take, children, dark or light. So now bigger elephant we have to color blue. Neatly, children, when you are coloring, color neatly. So for the first big elephant we have colored pink, and the elephant which is bigger than the first one, we are coloring blue. And for the biggest among these three, which color we have to do? Yes, we have to color red. So after finishing this one, we are going to color red for the next elephant. Big, bigger, biggest. Right? So we finished coloring bigger one. Now we have to color biggest elephant red. Shall we? Be careful, children. Color neatly. Do you all like elephants? Did you took a ride on elephant? Sometimes in zoo they will allow you to ride elephant, right? As well as horses, camel. We all like to ride on elephant, right? Yes. So children, we finished coloring all the three. For the big elephant we have colored pink, bigger elephant we have colored blue, and the biggest among these three we have colored red. Let us go to the next one. Color the big bear pink. We have to color big bear pink, the bigger bear blue, and the biggest bear red. Same concept we have to follow here, only the pictures are different. That's it. For the big bear we have to color pink, bigger bear we have to color blue, biggest among these three we have to color red. So which one is the big one? Which one is the big one? See, compare with this circles. Compare with the circles given here. So if we see this, big one is, the first size is this one. Big. Next, which is bigger than the first one? Third bear. Bigger. Next, this is biggest among these three. Biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. This bear is big and the third bear is bigger and the second bear is biggest among these three. First we are comparing this as big and we have compared which is bigger than this. Obviously these two are bigger than this, but the next size we are comparing here, which is second size is this one and the last size is this one. Okay. So now for the big bear we have to color pink. Let us start coloring. So children, there are different kinds of bears, right? Snow bear. Did you ever see bear? You might have seen this in cartoon, right? So we finished coloring big. Next one, the bigger bear blue. We have to color blue to this bigger bear. Let us color. Polar bear, winter bear, snow bear. Did you ever heard about this? You might have heard this in cartoons. You all like to watch cartoons, right? When I am a child, I also used to see cartoons. Yes, here the third bear is bigger than the first bear. Here we are comparing the sizes, children. First size, second size. First size is big and the second size is bigger. The third size is biggest. So like that we are comparing here. Okay. Sometimes you might get doubt, teacher, these two are bigger only, no? For that when we compare the first one. Yes, of course those are big. But here we are comparing the first size, second size, third size. For the first size we have given name bigger. And for the second size we have given name bigger. For the third size we have given name biggest. So this is what the difference here. So for the biggest bear we have to color red. So children, did you understand the difference? Here we are comparing these by giving the numbers. Size, first size, second size, right? Simple, you have to remember simply like this. So what is the concept we are learning here, children? Big, bigger, biggest, right? So are you all following the videos? Hope you all are following the videos and try to practice all the things which are told in the previous videos, children. If you didn't watch those videos, just go and watch all the videos so that you will get, if you watch previous video of this one, then you will understand what are we doing today. Okay. So children, we have colored. See, for the big one we have colored pink, bigger, blue, biggest, red. Both are finished. So children, did you understand the concept of big, bigger, biggest? Let us say one more time. Big, bigger, biggest. Try to practice all this, children. Don't forget practicing. Okay? So I'll be meeting you with a new topic in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.